Ever pondered why Java programmers seem to have a unique way of naming their variables, methods, and classes, or why they choose specific data types for different tasks? Well, it all boils down to Java's naming conventions and data types. First, let's delve into naming conventions. Java has a set of rules known as naming conventions, which help to maintain readability and consistency in the code. There are 4 main naming conventions: camel case, Pascal case, snake case, and kebab case. Camel case starts with a lowercase letter and capitalizes each subsequent word, like my variable. This convention generally applies to variables and methods. Pascal case, similar to camel case, but starts with an uppercase letter like my class. It's used mostly for class names. Snake case uses underscores to separate words like my underscore variable, while kebab case uses hyphens like my variable. However, Java doesn't support kebab case due to syntax restrictions. Now onto data types. In Java, we have 2 categories of data types: primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types include integer, float, char, and Boolean. Integer types, such as byte, short, int, and long, store whole numbers of varying ranges. Float types, which include float and double, handle numbers with decimal points. The char type represents a single character, while Boolean handles true or false values. Non-primitive data types include classes, interfaces, and arrays. These types are all objects, which means they hold more than just a single value. Next, we have literals. Literals are fixed values assigned to variables. These can be integer literals, float literals, character literals, string literals, and Boolean literals. An interesting feature in Java is the ability to use underscores in numeric literals for better readability. Moving on, let's discuss operators. Operators perform computations on variables and values. Java has several types of operators: arithmetic, unary, assignment, and relational. Arithmetic operators perform basic mathematical operations. Unary operators work with only one operand. The increment operator, ++, and decrement operator increase or decrease a value by 1, respectively. The assignment operator, =, assigns a value to a variable. Lastly, relational operators compare 2 values and return a Boolean result. In summary, Java's naming conventions and data types are essential tools for writing clear, efficient code. Naming conventions ensure consistency and readability, while data types help to manage and manipulate data. Literals provide fixed values to variables, and operators perform computations on these values. Understanding these fundamental aspects of Java will undoubtedly pave the way for a smoother coding journey.